Same gun can be used for quick touch-up or smaller jobs by removing our pressure assembly, leaving that connected to whatever bulk feed system it was being used with. Remove your pressure nozzle. If it was just used, be sure that you wipe that needle clean. And then grab a gravity feed nozzle, assembled the same way, onto the gun. Once you have a gravity nozzle onto the gun, you can connect to your PPS Series 2.0 and use that for any light touch-up work or smaller applications utilizing the exact same gun body. Thanks everyone for tuning in. That's all there is for this video. We'll catch you next time.